Deep beneath the mountain lies a hidden underground city.
Hidden deep inside these mountains lies one of the most secret underground factories ever built. Only authorized vehicles are allowed to enter this restricted facility. Behind this door lies a massive underground industrial complex. Huge transport vehicles carry the materials needed to build the underground fortress.
The tunnel stretches miles beneath the mountain. Every system here is designed for extreme durability. These cranes lift bunker components weighing hundreds of tons. Each wall is reinforced to survive extreme pressure. Machines this size are used to carve deeper chambers underground. Even the workers appear tiny compared to these structures. This facility stretches across miles of hidden tunnels. New areas of the underground complex are constantly expanding. Once the door closes, the secret world below disappears again. Deep beneath the mountain, massive excavation has already begun. These machines can carve through solid rock like butter.
Thousands of tons of rock are removed every single day.
Specialized transport trucks move the debris out of the tunnels. Precision drilling expands the underground chambers. Sometimes controlled blasts are needed to break the hardest stone.
With every blast, the underground complex grows larger.
Reinforced support columns prevent the mountain from collapsing. Robotic systems secure every structure with extreme precision.
Some chambers are large enough to hold entire buildings. Every section must be inspected for structural safety.
New tunnels connect the growing underground complex. This is only the beginning of the massive bunker construction. Now the real construction of the bunker complex begins.
Each wall is built thick enough to withstand extreme impact.
Special reinforced concrete strengthens the bunker structure.
These blast doors weigh hundreds of tons.
The scale of the construction is unbelievable.
Precision systems lock the doors into place.
Miles of reinforced corridors link the entire complex.
Power systems run throughout the underground city.
These chambers store critical supplies. Every layer is designed for maximum protection.
Massive generators power the underground facility.
The hidden fortress is taking shape. But the bunker still needs powerful defense systems.
Deep inside the bunker lies a hidden defense system.
Every movement is carefully controlled.
Once sealed, the missile is hidden deep underground. All bunker operations are monitored from here. Security is constant and absolute. Advanced systems guard every corridor. Each section can be sealed instantly. Air filtration keeps the bunker livable. The bunker stores resources for long-term survival.
This is the heart of the secret complex.
Miles of tunnels spread beneath the mountain.
The facility can seal itself in seconds.
A hidden fortress built deep beneath the earth. Deep beneath the mountain lies a hidden underground city. Entire transportation systems operate below the surface. Production never stops inside the underground facility. Supplies are stored to support the bunker for years. Powerful reactors generate energy for the entire underground city.
Every section can be sealed in case of emergency.
A hidden fortress built to survive anything. Hidden beneath the mountain, a massive underground world continues to operate in complete secrecy.